Okay, and this is it. We have 4,500 milliampere battery. The battery, it comes in two parts. There's one battery on this side, and this is another battery here. Both of them combined, they will give you 4,500 milliampere battery, and it supports the world's fastest supercharge with 55 watt. So the supercharge will give you the capability to charge the 4,500 milliampere 85% in 30 minutes only.
Wow, that's impressive. That's good.
Yes. So when it comes to the camera, so if we fold it and we click on the camera, this is one of the options that we can do. Okay, this is a normal camera using the triple camera system at the back. You can have the wide angle,
so it comes with wide angle as well.
Yes, and you can go with the zooming also feature.
That's nice.
One of the options also that we added, if you click on this one, it will give you the secondary screen that you can see yourself.
That's cool.
And when you can see yourself, you can tell me, I don't like this pose, just this area, okay, or just let me take a smile.
That's really good. So basically this screen is on and the other screen is on at the same time? That's really good. So you can see what I've just seen.
Yes.
Essentially myself.
This is one of the options that we gave it, okay, to the people, so they can guide us how they want their picture or for the photo to be. This is one of the amazing. This
is one complete screen, right?
Yes.
The one that I'm looking at right now. But the software allows you to basically have this sort of split screen mode. Wow. Oh, okay. I see what you mean now. That's quite cool, actually. It's very practical as well.
Yeah. So this is one of the options, and also if you want one of the other options that we have it here. If we turn this one off, if I want to take a selfie. So if I press on the selfie, it will tell me flip the phone. So I will use the same camera system, the highest megapixel for selfie.
Interesting.
And it's gonna be really amazing and high quality.
Perfect.
Selfie camera.
Guys, look at that. If you want a larger space, essentially, to get your viewfinder for the camera, that is possible now, just simply opening it up like this. We've got all the familiar modes that we've seen with the recent Huawei phones: aperture, night, portrait, photo, video, pro, and more as well. It's amazing, actually, that larger screen. I'm going to be honest, I was a bit critical of the whole folding concept, but I can see immediately, actually, when you handle the device, there are a lot of real life scenarios where the larger screen can be quite, or not quite, but very useful, this being one of them.